Hello, my name's Lucinda from Acuity Training. I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Word 2007 or 2010. Let's open up a document that we can use. Here's my document I'm going to use to create a table of contents in Word. And the first thing you need to be aware of is that you need to have styles applied to the document before we can create the table of contents. How do we know that we've got styles applied? We can tell that we've got styles because if we click on a piece of text, we will be told in our styles gallery in our home ribbon what is going on with that piece of text. So this piece of text here has got a normal style. If we click next to the flyer as a W6, we can see it's been formatted, but is it styled? And we can see that somebody has actually applied a heading 1 style to this and to the seeker and to the Tonga and to the wrap. So we've actually got styles already on there that we can begin to use for a table of contents. To make the document a little bit longer, a little bit bigger, I'm actually going to apply page breaks to each vehicle model, so we've got the vehicles on separate pages. So I'm going to click next to the flyer on the left there, and the keyboard shortcut I'm going to use is Control Return, and this creates a break and moves the vehicle and text onto a different page. I'm going to do the same for the seeker. Click on the left, Control Return. And as you can see, a page break is created each time. Click on the left of Tonga, Control Return, and the same for the wrap, Control Return. Control and Home brings me back to the top of my document, and I would like my table of contents to sit nicely on the first page of this document. So again, I'm going to press Control Return to move Age New Vehicle Department heading onto a separate page. I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click onto the page where I want my table of contents. Where are table of contents in Word 2007 and 2010? They're actually in the References ribbon. So if we'd like to go to the References ribbon, and in here you'll notice a table of contents group. In there we see a table of contents button, and if you'd like to give it a click, we can see that we have built-in table of contents, and we actually have an option Insert Table of Contents, which produces a dialog box. The quickest and easiest form to create a table of contents is to use an automated built-in template. I'm going to use this one here, the automatic Table 2 template, and we can see that we're going to get a table of contents heading, and it's going to use any text that has been styled with heading 1, heading 2 or heading 3 styles. If I click on that and bring it in, you can see my table of contents appears with the heading table of contents, and there are my vehicle models that had been stylised with heading 1. The great thing about table of contents is that there have been hyperlinks automatically attached. So if I click on the flyer ZW6, you'll notice that Control and Click appears as a screen tip. Can you see that there? And if I press Control and click with my mouse, it actually takes me down to that particular part of the document. Control Home brings me back up again. Let's do the same with the wrap. So if I point onto the wrap now, Control and click, that takes me to that part of the document. Control Home brings me back to the top again, and that is how to create a table of contents in a Word 2007 or a Word 2010 document. Thanks for listening.